Hi, and welcome to the Palmetto home plan. This home plan features 4 bedrooms and is located at multiple of our Trinity Homes communities throughout Central Ohio. This particular model is located at Holton Run in Grove City, though. We have this wonderful kitchen with plenty of cabinet space and a nice eat-in breakfast bar for that quick breakfast before you head out for work or school. For a more formal meal, we have the dining room, located right in between the kitchen and great room in this wonderful open concept center of the home. One of my favorite rooms in the Palmetto home plan is the optional morning room. This has so much natural light in it. It's a perfect way to wake up in the morning and enjoy your cup of coffee, or to read a book at the evening and kind of wind down from your long day. Next up is the great room. This room is perfect for entertaining. Say after dinner or going shopping, bringing your friends and family back here to hang out, watch TV, maybe enjoy a glass of wine or a cup of hot chocolate by the fireplace. The Palmetto home plan also offers a den or bonus room. This room could make a great office, just another sitting and reading nook. So many possibilities to fit your lifestyle. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms upstairs. So right at the top of the stairs, you're going to find our first bedroom and full bath. There's also an upstairs laundry room, making the hassle of doing laundry just that much easier because now you won't have to carry it up the stairs. As you continue down this hallway, we'll pass 2 other additional bedrooms. Then the 4th bedroom is going to be the primary suite. As you walk in, you're going to find there are dual closets. So one right on the left, giant, be able to fit so much clothes in here, and then a smaller one on your right. The primary suite also has an attached bathroom. Notice you will have plenty of space for any size bed here in the primary suite. Well, thank you so much for taking a tour of the Palmetto home plan with me. To learn more, visit trinity-homes.com.